Adobe Photoshop download. Can I download Adobe Photoshop for free? Adobe Photoshop Download is a paid-for image editing program, but you can download a free Photoshop in test type for both Windows and macOS from Adobe. You can obtain a complimentary test variation of Photoshop for 7 days. The complimentary trial is the official, complete variation of the app. It consists of all the features and updates in the most recent version of Photoshop. With a Photoshop cost-free test, you obtain 7 days to utilize the complete version of the software, at definitely no charge, which offers you accessibility to all the most up-to-date features as well as updates. You likewise don't require a charge card to access the test. Photoshop is our most as much as day version as well as the only variation of Photoshop you can download for a complimentary trial. To acquire Photoshop correctly, you'll need an innovative cloud membership. There are a number of various options. You can choose a solitary app plan, which will certainly provide you simply Photoshop CC, or a strategy that consists of even more of Adobe's imaginative applications. Adobe Photoshop is a desktop photo editor established by Adobe Inc. Widely thought about as one of the most powerful picture editors out there, Adobe Photoshop is outfitted with advanced attributes that can satisfy a large range of arts professionals as well as hobbyists. It has fantastic image editing and enhancing tools that can take a photographer's photos to the following level, but it also offers digital illustrators with a blank canvas and endless tools as well as opportunities. The program uses a test variation for those thinking about buying it after examining it. About Adobe Photoshop CC certification. Adobe Photoshop CC course is the most effective means to find out how to make use of Photoshop. Edit images and also lay out graphics the means you visualize them. Adobe Photoshop download and practice pictures and Photoshop documents. At the start of this training course, you'll download a folder of images as well as task data so you can practice and also learn. The Method Photoshop CC course training course has been designed is made to educate you detailed how to properly make use of Adobe Photoshop. To put it simply, you will certainly find out everything you require knowledge to be able to function correctly with this software. Significance of Adobe Photoshop CC course in 2021. The Adobe Photoshop course encompasses many advantages to its user which has actually already been gone over. Also, it enables the user to execute a vast range of things. Such features cannot be erudite by a specific or customer themselves. In order to discover every little thing concerning Photoshop, one requires enlisting him/her in appropriate Photoshop training. Adobe Photoshop training course is designed for media professionals that have little experience working with Photoshop. Advanced Photoshop individuals without any formal training will certainly also take advantage of this class as tips, techniques, keyboard faster ways, and important foundation skills are covered throughout this class. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for the Adobe Photoshop CC in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Adobe Photoshop CC preparation course. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for the best Adobe Photoshop CC training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/